Jessica here with crochetcreations.com, and today we are going to work the slip stitch. So start off by making a slip knot. Hold the tail between your thumb and your pointer finger, wrap around, go through, pull tight. Insert your hook, pull that tight. So let's just chain maybe like 8 stitches. 1, 2, see how I'm turning my hook. 7, 8. So let's go ahead and slip stitch in the second chain from hook. So here's the first chain. Insert into that second, yarn over, and pull through both. So let's do that again. Insert into the stitch, grab the yarn, and then pull through the loop on the hook. So slip stitch is what we're making. Insert into the chain, grab the yarn, pull through. Insert, grab, pull through. Insert, grab the yarn, pull through. So slip stitch is just where you're inserting into the stitch, pulling through. So the slip stitch is used sometimes for a brim, so brim of a hat. Let me grab a hat here. So you could see this uses a slip stitch brim. This is where you make the brim first using the slip stitch, and then this hat is worked after the brim is made. So this is basically the slip stitch that way. So that's one instance where you might use a slip stitch. Slip stitch is used a lot whenever you're making things in the round and you join with a slip stitch. So a slip stitch is used to join the last stitch to the first stitch. That's about the only situation that I can think of that I have used a slip stitch for, but it's a very important stitch to know how to make. So if you are looking for some patterns that use the slip stitch or any other stitches you may find on my YouTube channel, check them out at crochetcreations.com. Thanks for watching.